Guys, welcome to the another video of the complete ethical hacking tutorial DVWA walkthrough series. In this video we will be covering the blind SQL injection part. As we have already mentioned in the previous video, in this video we will use the tools like Bub Suite and SQL map, which is already pre-installed in Kali Linux. If you have Windows or Ubuntu or Mac, you can install Bub Suite and SQL map. So I have already pre-installed here, so I will open the Bub Suite. I have Bub Suite Professional Edition. You can use Community Edition as well. For that you need to go to the extension and use proxy or any another proxy server and use Bub server as at port 8080. Okay, so let's get started. Come to the Bub Suite and go to the proxy tab and turn on the intercept. Now here put an user ID, let's say 1, and click on submit. Here you can see the proxy is intercepted. Now you need to right click here and save item. Now go to the I will be save this in the downloads folder, name this as DVWA underscore blind.txt. remember the file extension will be text file. Okay, now save this. Okay, now drop the interception, proxy off, and refresh the page. Okay, now go to your terminal. Now move to the directory where you have saved the text file, downloads ls. You can see that I have DVWA underscore blind.txt here. Now you need to type SQL map -r for request DVWA underscore blind.txt / dbs. Enter. Here you can see it gives me available databases, which is DVWA and information schema. We are interested in the table named DVWA. Now for that select the table DVWA tables. Now we are interested in the users table. For that select the table users and show me the columns available in the table users. Here you can see, here you have user, avatar, user ID, password, first name, last name. We are interested in the columns. Here columns user and password, and dump this data of the user and password column. Type enter. Do you want to restore hashes? No, I don't want. No, I don't want to crack the passwords. No. Here you can see we have already fetched the data. In this way you can use the tools like Bub Suite or SQL map. So that's all for this video. In the upcoming video I will cover this blind SQL injection written in Python script. I will be creating my own Python code and using this particular Python code, we will be exploiting the database of the DVWA web app. Okay, till then, tata, bye bye, stay happy, stay safe. And one more thing guys, it needs a lot of effort to make these videos. Please subscribe to my channel, share this to your friends and ask them for subscription. This motivated me a lot to bring you new videos and keep watching my videos. That's all. So tata, bye bye.